Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video, you might be checking out this website here called MyPoints, and you're wondering, can you make money from this website, or is it just about gift cards? I'm going to review MyPoints so that you know whether or not spending time on this website makes sense, how much can you earn, all that great stuff, okay? So my name's Aaron. I review lots of different business models, websites, GPT-style websites. I've seen the good, the bad, the ugly, so let's take a look at MyPoints to see whether it's worth your time. Now, MyPoints is a GPT-style website. That means you come onto this website, you can basically log in for free, create a free account, okay? Anyone can do this, and you can make money two ways. You can earn different rewards cards from the points that you add up, or you can get paid out through PayPal, all right? Now, the way that this works is once you log in, you can either get some cashback points, right, shopping. You can take surveys, which is actually the main way to make money on this website, and you can take part in some games as well to actually win some awards points and convert that into either money or into gift cards, as you can see here, right? So Amazon, Starbucks, Apple, eBay, Sephora, you get the idea, okay? A highly rated GPT website, you can see here on Trustpilot, and these guys are actually owned by Protege that also owns Swagbucks, and Swagbucks is another GPT website that is also very legitimate. They've got a great reputation on the market, and definitely worth checking out if you want to learn to make some free money online, okay? Now, how does this actually work, right? So this is how MyPoints works. After you actually create an account, and you can do this from anywhere in the world, you can log into their platform and basically take part in surveys and play games, right? Now, when you take part in the surveys, the way that this works is every survey that you take, for them specifically, they'll pay you between 35 cents and 75 cents per survey. Now, the problem is you can't sit there and take 100 surveys a day. That's not how this website works, okay? So you'll maybe be able to get access to one survey a day, maybe a couple of surveys a week, depending on the demographic that you come from, the way that you answer the questions, and the location that you're based in the world, all right? Now, if you're only making 35 cents to 75 cents per survey, that's not that much money, okay? So you want to supplement that by playing games, all right? So they've got different games in the platform. You play them, and based on how long you play them for, you'll make a certain amount of points equivalent, all right? Now, on average, for every game you play, you're not really making that much money. You're making pennies on the dollar. Literally, they're paying you 1 cent here, 2 cents there, 3 cents here, 1 cent there. You get the idea, right? So the more time that you spend on the website, the more games you play, the more surveys that you take, hopefully that will add up to a little bit of money every single day, all right? Now, the question is how much money can you make from a website like MyPoints? Well, the thing is that even though MyPoints is owned by Protege and they are a fully legitimate company and they pay out, hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars to people all over the world every single year, it's still not designed to make you rich, okay? So we have one user who has been on their website. He did a 248-day streak. That means he logged on to MyPoints every single day for 248 days, and he made $800 in points equivalent, right? So that's an average of $3 per day. He was spending about an hour a day on the website. Okay, so that kind of gives you an idea. If you spend roughly an hour a day and you're maximizing everything on the site, you can potentially make $2 to $3 a day, right? It's not mind-bending, it's not mind-breaking. I mean, it's like, or life-changing, $3 a day times 30 days. That's about $90 a month, okay? So again, you're not going to get rich from a website like this. They're not saying that you're going to get rich. It's just a way that, look, if you have a bit of extra time, you want to come on here, you want to play some games, you want to take some surveys, then you might be able to make a couple of bucks a day, right? Now, you can then take those points and turn them into either gift cards, or once you reach $25, that's the minimum threshold, you can withdraw that money into your PayPal account. I recommend that you do that because at least with PayPal, you can spend the money on whatever you want. Unfortunately, with the gift cards, you must spend it on that actual store like Walmart or Amazon or eBay, and you may not necessarily want to do that, okay? And that's kind of it. That's as simple as that. So again, that's my review on MyPoints. It's a very simple website. The important thing is that it's legitimate. The important thing is that it's reputable, and the important thing is that they pay out. The big problem with GPT websites, though, unfortunately, is that they don't pay out that much money, okay? So you're making about, like I mentioned, $2 to $3 a day for an hour, 2 hours worth of work. So again, it's a lot of work for a very little bit of pay, but it's free. and it's legitimate, and you can really make money from these guys. Okay, so I would say one of the better GPT websites out there. There's some really bad ones out there, but MyPoints is good. They're reputable, they're legitimate, so you can check them out at mypoints.com if you want. Okay. For me, look, if you're watching this video right now, you're probably looking for a way to make money online, right? And there are lots of different ways to make money online. I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different make money online websites, business models, tools, softwares, that sort of thing. Excuse me. And I still find that, look, if you have 2 hours a day extra, there are a lot better ways for you to get to at least $10,000 a month, 100% online, just using your computer. And my favorite way is a strategy that I would like to teach you if you would like to learn how to do that. All right, so my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month with 2 hours per day, if you have that, you may as well spend that in that time doing this strategy instead of hanging out on websites like MyPoints, which only earns you $3 a day, right? If you want to do that, you can check it out. I've got a free 6-figure workshop. You can just register for free by clicking the link below in the description box or the comment section, and I hope to see you there, and I hope you enjoyed this review. See you on another review video. Take care.